Today we're learning about fruit.
Fruit is one of the 5 main food groups that we should be eating from every day.
So what is a fruit? Fruits are the sweet and fleshy part of a plant or tree that contains seeds and can be eaten as food. All other parts of a plant are considered vegetables.
We're going to use the plant and flowers of strawberries, bananas, and pears to provide you an example. Notice how the strawberry grows from a flower. And notice how bananas also grow from a flower. And pears too. Again, these are all the sweet and fleshy parts that contain seeds and can be eaten as food and therefore qualify these as fruits.
There are various ways that you can consume fruits. Whole, which provide all the benefits. Juiced, which still provide nutrients but without the fiber you would get from the whole fruit. With this one, you also want to make sure it's 100% juice and limit your intake. And then there's dried and dehydrated fruits. Fruits can make eating fun and sweet. You can put it in smoothies, on salads, especially dried fruits or apples, on top of oatmeal, and so much more. Some fruits, like tomatoes, are considered vegetables because they are not usually considered sweet, but they contain seeds and therefore count as a fruit. More example would be pumpkins and cucumbers. Now back to that idea that nuts are a fruit. They have a single seed inside a hard shell that is not eaten. The inside of the shell, or the quote, meat of the nut, is not fleshy, but dry. Seeing as though it is still a seed, it's considered a fruit. The 4 top things to remember about fruits are that 1. Fruits are low in fat and calories. You're able to eat lots of fruits without fear of overeating. Remember that they make up about 1/4 of your MyPlate. Fruit gives you a healthy source of energy that you need to study and play. 2. Fruit has fiber. Fiber is really important for your digestive system and keeps you feeling great every day. 3. Fruit has many important vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help you grow, stay healthy, heal faster, see better, and have a stronger heart. And lastly, number 4. Nutrients from fruit help with learning and remembering what we've learned, helping you do better in school. So it sounds like fruit helps with learning, energy, healing, growing, and overall health. Awesome. Now we're about to go over many colorful examples of different whole fruits that you can add to your diet for all those health benefits that we just learned about.
Now we're going to start with one example from each color.
In red, we have apples. In orange, we have surprise oranges. In yellow, we have pineapple. In green, we have green grapes. And in the blue and purple sections, we have blueberries. That section is combined because your body benefits from these different colors in similar ways, and it can be hard to tell which color a certain fruit is. Alright, some more examples. In the red, we have grapes, raspberries, pomegranate, strawberries, cherries, watermelon, grapefruit, and plums. In orange, we have cantaloupe, peaches, papaya, mango, which could also go in the yellow, that mango we talked about, lemon, and bananas. In the green, we have pear, kiwi, guava, and yep, avocados. They have a seed. And blue-purple. Blackberries, figs, and plums could count as well.
Now it's time to test your knowledge. Pause the video and pick what you think is the right answer. Then unpause the video for that answer. If you got it wrong, don't worry. We'll explain the answer once you unpause the video. You can always go back in the video to reference something if you need to. Let's get started.
True or false? Fruits are low in fat and calories. True. Eat plenty of fruits every day for a natural, healthy energy source. Yes or no? I should eat fruits of different colors. Yes. Eating a good mix of different colored fruits ensures that you are getting lots of different nutrients. True or false? Fruits take up 1/4 of the MyPlate. True, meaning that our plate should consist of at least 1/4 fruit. True or false? Fruit helps with learning, energy, healing, growing, and overall health. True.
All right, great job everyone. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.